Hello everyone, happy weekend and happy new month. I hope you had a great week, and we just ended the last week of the month for the month of October, and we give thanks to the Lord for the week, for the whole month, and for his provision and his protection and his blessings for our lives and our families. So without further ado, let's see what news events we have for the new week and what news events that we have for the previous week that just ended. So for the previous week that just ended, the last week of the month of October, Monday there was no news, Tuesday there was no news, Wednesday was the most important day for the dollar, right? We have Fomc statement, which was 7 p.m. Then Thursday we have news on Euro, 2:15 and 2:40 p.m. And Friday there was no news. So for the new week, for the month of November, so there's a lot of news for the new week for the month of November, right? So Monday we have news on USD. Tuesday, although the US government is still in shutdown, so some of all these news might be postponed. So Tuesday news might be postponed due to the US government shutdown, right? Then Wednesday we'll have news. Then Thursday we'll have news on pound. Then Friday, which is supposed to be NFP, but as you can see, it's showing tentative, right? So that's about that for the news events for the week, for the new week, for the month of November. And let's see how FOMC played out on the dollar on Wednesday and how these news events affected Euro on Thursday. So this is the daily time frame for the dollar index 1D. Make this okay. So this is the daily time frame from the dollar for the dollar, right? So each candles in this time frame represents a day worth of trading. And for the new week, for the previous week that just ended, we see a Monday opens up indecisive, Tuesday indecisive, but we're staying at the upper half of this fair value gap. This candle's high, and this candle's low. There's a fair value gap right here, but I'm including this volume imbalance too as well. As you can see, there's a gap between this candle's high and this candle's low. So we see Tuesday being indecisive, then Wednesday we see bullish price action on Wednesday on the dollar, then Thursday we see another bullish price action. We see this high get taken out. So FOMC was bullish on the dollar on Wednesday, then Thursday we see a continuation, then Friday also we see a continuation higher. So I'm watching this August high for the new week. If dollar will be continue its bullish momentum to take out this high, then maybe we'll see retracement, use this fair value gap as support to go higher, then aim for this high on the dollar. So for the new week on the dollar, I'm expecting higher prices on the dollar. So that's about that on the dollar. So the dollar has been bullish for the month of October. We can see higher prices, retracement, higher prices. So maybe another retracement and higher prices, or reversal to go lower. So whichever way, I'm bullish on the dollar. So Euro USD went lower as the dollar was going higher. USD was going lower, while the euro is coupled with the dollar. If the dollar is going higher, you want to see the euro fall. Then if the euro is going higher, you want to see the dollar go lower. So for the new week, for the previous week that just ended, we see Monday tries to go higher, Tuesday tries to go higher, then Wednesday we see a displacement lower, this fair value gap. So Monday tried to go higher, then Tuesday was trying to use this fair value gap as what? Support to go higher, right here. But Wednesday trades lower, then Thursday finds resistance at the fair value gap, then we trade lower, then Friday trades lower, taking out this low, then we see this fair value gap being traded into. So if the dollar wants to maintain its bullish price action, then maybe these August highs might be reached on, August lows might be a target on euro, but the euro distance with the dollar distance is kind of different. So we'll see how you will treat this fair value gap in the new week. This fair value gap will be used as resistance to go lower or support to go higher. We'll see. So that's about that for the euro. So for pound, so as you can see, pound traded more lower than the euro. See how small the candles are on euro. Then look at pound. See how huge expansions are on pound, right? So pound was weaker than the euro. So we see pound trade lower, way lower, taking out its August lows, taking out these lows as well. So so pound uses this fair value gap that was supposed to be used as support to go higher. We'll see pound traded through it, then we'll go up once more. Friday could not trade above the midpoint, right? Monday trades up. Tuesday found resistance, trades lower. Wednesday expands. Thursday we see expansion on Thursday. Then Friday we see a small region on Friday. So since the dollar is bearish, since the dollar is bullish, I want to see if pound will use this fair value gap as resistance to go lower, then filling this monthly fair value gap more, or we see this fair value gap being disrespected, or maybe we'll see this upper one being used. So whichever one will play resistance on the pound for the new week, we'll see. So that's about that for pound for the new week. And what was next? Gold was kind of like consolidated for the week. So this is gold. Monday trades lower, Tuesday we see lower prices, Wednesday trades higher, Thursday trades higher, then Friday we just close the week. So gold is stuck in between two fair value gaps, this fair value gap and this one, right? So for a more clear view on gold for the new week, I want to see if this one will be used as support to go higher, then maybe we'll trade up into this one, or this one will be used as resistance, we trade lower, taking out these lows. So we'll see on gold for the new week. So Bitcoin Bitcoin has been bearish. Bitcoin was just crazy bearish for the week. So we see Monday trades into this fair value gap, taking out these highs. Then Tuesday trades lower, Wednesday trades lower, Thursday trades lower. Then Friday, we see Friday trading into this old fair value gap, this gap right here. So if Bitcoin wants to, take out all these lows once more, we'll see, or go higher, this fair value gap will tell what Bitcoin will do next week. So for the month of October, Bitcoin was really bearish. We'll say huge, large range candles for October, right? After creating a new all-time high on Bitcoin, we'll see lower prices. We'll see a retracement into this fair value gap. Then we'll see lower prices. So if we're going to continue, if this small fair value gap area will hold, then we'll see, or if not, we'll trade higher. Then we'll fill in this remaining space in this huge fair value gap that was left by this huge candle trading lower. So that's about that for the pairs we talk about. So if you're able to stay to the end of the video, thank you, and thank you for your time. So I wish everyone happy new month once more. Have a great week and stay safe. God bless you.